Hello everybody. In this video, you're going to learn how to install a language inside your SuiteCRM system from the version 8.7 and above. Okay, so let's go. The language packages are hosted from now on, so therefore let's go and check it out. Here, I simply got a fresh installation. I'm logging in and I want to download. I didn't do much other than a few test records, and otherwise I didn't do anything special. So I want to download a language package, and for this I'm going into the installation guide and here install new languages. And there are two links, the stable language pack and the latest build. And so far I always used the latest build for downloading it. But the website changed a little bit, so you can't download it without registration. So therefore I'm clicking on the stable SuiteCRM language packs and download this one. And as you can see from 8.7 here, you have a folder as well, which you can use now. And there you would simply pick your language of choice. So I want to have the German version as an example, but it should be very similar to everything or to all languages. It will simply ask you to download, and I will overwrite the package that I have already. Okay, and you can close this one, and the rest is basically like before as well. So you're going to the admin area, and then via the module loader, you would then select the module that we just downloaded, which is here, this one. And now I want to upload it. Here it will be tested or checked. So if it should be proper, if it might be potentially technically correct, then you can click now on install. That seems to be fine. I'm going back to the module loader. And now where's my German? I can't see it anywhere. So the key is simply here to log out quickly. And in the login, I will see the new language, which I can use now, and log in, and you can see everything now is in German. So it's mostly the process and how to install it is just the same like before, only the language pack changed, or the source of the language pack, the website changed. So therefore, make sure that you use this one from 2025 on. That's already it for this short tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.